So on your own streaming device from Walmart or any other Google TV or Android TV device, we're running into this issue here, but it's simple to fix it. But first I have to say, well, I'm blurring this out because YouTube, they can take down this video, so I had to blur it out to be safe, to keep the channel safe. But sometimes when you install apps, you'll see this little pop-up come up, but you'll see an option that says more or more details at the bottom with a option to select it. So normally you can select that and then just select install anyway, and you can install it that way. They will throw a misleading warning at you just to kind of confuse you, but just keep in mind they're trying their best to discourage people from installing third-party apps on their devices. So that's all that is. And just to let you know, if the app was actually harmful, they'll just remove it themselves without even asking you. So starting from the home page, to stop this, we have to go to the Google Play Store first. So I'm gonna go to the apps, and then go to the Google Play Store this way. But say if you can't find it within your apps, you'll have to go to your settings, and from the settings go to apps, and from here go to see all apps. Select show system apps if you have to. Let me back up, and then you can select Google Play Store and then select open. All right, so once we have Google Play open, next on the top right hand corner, go to your profile icon, and where you see Play Protect, highlight that, go over, and this option that says scan apps with Play Protect, select that once you have it highlighted, and then select turn off to confirm. So now we have this off. You can go back to the downloader app and get any app that you want. And for those of you that's having the issue of apps that you already have installed being blocked, uninstall it and then reinstall, and you shouldn't have this issue anymore. All right, so if you have any questions or you run into any issues, let us know down below in the comments. And if it did help you out, also let us know down in the comments. All right, so if you're interested in informational videos like this one around everyday tech and products, feel free to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. But when it comes to this steps and this video, this is all I got for you. So much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.